Hey fam bam, I'm back with another video and we are going to talk about moisturizing these lips. Let's get into it. Okay, we need to moisturize our lips. Now this is going to be a real quick video. I don't want to waste a lot of your time. I'm just going to get right into it. But before I do get into it, I need you to hit that like button. It helps me, you guys. It builds that algorithm up. Hit that like button, okay? Comment, share, and subscribe. That's it. That's it. That's it. That's it. And let's get into this video. I am coming to you and we are talking about satin lips. If you ever wanted to have some nice, soft lips, and I mean soft, kissable lips, then you've been missing out. We have this Balm.com satin lip set. It is a shea sugar scrub, white tea, and citrus satin lips. And I'm telling you guys, it is the bomb. If you have very chapped lips, you just need to remove the dead skin from your lips. That's it. I'm going to show you how I do this. I just take a little bit on my finger and put it on my lips. And I'm looking in my mirror, so if my head is turned, I just want you guys to know that. And rub on my lips. And it softens the lips, makes them real soft, and moisturize the lips. And it gets rid of the dead skin that you have on your lips. So if your lips are peeling or anything like that, you just need to get that dead skin off of your lips and wipe it off of your lips and just take it off with a cloth. And you know, too, when you wear lipstick, you get this, sometimes you get this white stuff by your lipstick, and that's nothing, you guys, but dead skin. Nothing but dead skin. So then once you do that, this is 2 simple steps. Then you get the Shea Butter Balm. Okay, this is it right here. You take that. I'm just going to use my finger here. Put the balm on my lip. This is going to give it the moisture that it needs. So now I have scrubbed my lips. And for me, and then this is my opinion, it is better than any of the chapstick and what's that other one? This is, I forgot, the beeswax. I don't know. But this will leave your lips, I'm telling y'all. And then when you go to put on your lipstick, your lips are already nice and soft and moist. So the next thing, now that I have, you know, I got my lips balm on, and usually I do this at least 3 times a week to get rid of the dead skin off my lips, makes my lips really, really soft. And I do it at night so that when I get up in the morning and I get ready to put on my lipstick goes on real smooth, like real smooth. It's good, you guys. So I'm going to show you another thing that came out that is, oh my God, it's really, really good. I'm back. So now I want to show you some lipstick. Excuse my makeup. I look kind of crazy today, which is fine. You need to know the real. It's one of those days. I kept being interrupted. So, and I really wanted to show you guys this. So I'm going to line my lips with a lip pencil. And my lips feel really, really smooth after I put that moisturizer on. And today what I'm going to do, this is a new lipstick that the company came out with. And this one is called, girl, I can't even see this thing. Better Than Bare. It's called Better Than Bare. So I'm using a deep nude pencil, lip pencil. So I want to make sure my lips are really lined. And I'm going to use this lipstick. So let me show it to you. This is what it looks like. Now, this lip stick was just recently released. It's one of our new lines. I don't have all of them. They're running like $18. And it is a Supreme Hydrating Lipstick. So while you're wearing the lipstick, I'm going to put it on. It's hydrating your lips. You guys, this is, you know how sometimes you'll get a lipstick and I just want you guys to see that. See? And it's called, this one is Barely There, and it's Barely There. And if my makeup was on point, it probably would look a little bit better, but I just didn't feel like it. I'm using a coral, not coral, this is rose. A rose lip liner. Okay. I'm just making sure I'm looking in my mirror over here. Wait a minute, you know what? I tell you what, so y'all won't be thinking I'm looking away from the camera. I just, when you line your lip with a lip pencil, it allows your lipstick to stay on longer. So I'm lining my lips with this rose pencil. And then like really giving it a good line. Okay. And now I'm going to take the Poetic Pink. Okay. And give my lips some color. And so this is exactly how it looks on me. And anyone, no matter, your complexion, whether you are dark complected, light complected, whatever, you can wear this color. I say if you want to wear it, wear what you want to wear. Some people say, oh, I can't wear that because you can wear whatever color you want to wear when it comes to a lipstick. And so I wanted to show you those two lipsticks. And like I said, it is very hydrating. It is smooth. It goes on very smooth, luxurious feeling. Again, this is our hydrating lipstick, and we have so many other lipsticks, but I just really wanted to show you this. And it comes off really, really smooth as well. I just wanted to let you guys know that. But thank you for watching my video. That's all I have for you today. And I tell you, have an amazing day and God bless you.